Hello babe. Um, Gusto na kita. At gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na mahal kita. Sobrang thankful ako kasi dumating ka sa buhay ko. Ayun, lahat ng sakit, yung mga naranasan ko, nawala dahil nandyan ka. Ayan, salamat na marami. At ito yung kantang to, para sa'yo to. Kinumpose ko siya before, pero hindi ko siya masyadong kinakanta. Ayan, sana magustuhan mo. Ito. Now I'm sad, lonely, and hurt, and this broken heart feels empty since she left me, and I don't know how to move on through the pain she made. Now you came to my life and my heart beat once again. I have something to tell you. This time I'm serious. I love you, I love you, I love you. Yes, I need you, can't you see? 'Cause you know we were meant to be. 'Cause you know